Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be cutting 3/4 sleeve. Alright, you fold your fabrics into 4. You use your iron to press it to make it relax. Then from this point you mark 5 inches downward. You go in by 5 inches or by 4 inches depending on how you want your curves to be. So when you mark that, you draw a curvy line. Then use your scissors to cut. Remember, you will do this before you taking your actual measurement, the sleeve of the clothes, before taking the length. Sorry. So after doing this, so from here I take this the sleeve length. The sleeve length is 14, but I won't be marking at 14. I won't be cutting at 14 because I'll be adding something below. So I'll just mark at 12 because what I'll be needing is 2 inches. I'll remove 2 inches. I'll mark at 12. Then for the round sleeve is 14. 14 divided by 2, you have 7. So but to get the point where you mark this round sleeve, from up here you mark 10 inches. Then you get the point where you do this marking. You get the point for the round sleeve. Then here is 13 divided into 2, you have 6.5. Then you add your 1 inch hemming allowance. So the next thing to do here is to cut. Then you take the circumference. You check the circumference of the armhole. This is the circumference, just to make sure that what we have here will be enough to contain what we cut out from the armhole initially. So before you cut, so this is it. Very easy, very easy. So you can try yourself. If you have a question, please feel free to drop your question on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye.